Hey guys, so I wanted to create a video this week about something that came up this week. It seems to come back to bite me pretty frequently, and it involves when you have nulls. You're allowing nulls in your database, and that's fine. But when you have nulls in your database and you attach meaning to having a null value, that's when it seems to come back to bite you. And I figured I'd go through a video just to hopefully help people get through this because it seems to be a common problem. So this is a trigger that was causing an issue this week, and all it's doing is a trigger on a table, and the triggers this example table is named signature. What it's trying to do is keep the signature date and the signature username in sync between two different tables. So what it's trying to do is when it gets an insert into the signature table, it goes to this other table and it tries to set the signature date and the username and keep them in sync because this document ID is common between the two tables. And the other criteria here is what it's trying to do is say, well, when the signature date that was inserted into this table is after the signature date in the other table, then it needs to do an update. And that's where it got into trouble because when it was doing this comparison, it was comparing the signature dates, but the signature date on the other side was null. And we really did want it to get updated, but because this comparison was failing, it wasn't catching it, it wasn't doing the update. So here we have the fix. Everything is the same here, except what I had to do was go into this condition, put it in parentheses, and put this or, and then look for the explicit condition of signer doc date is null. Very subtle. But this is the type of thing that goes unnoticed at first, and you can't figure out why because you're not remembering that null doesn't equal anything, and you're thinking, well, it should have updated it, but it doesn't. And so it seems like this is the type of issue that kind of resurrects pretty frequently, and I'm hoping I'm going to save other people some time. So that's it for today's video. I hope this saves you some time. I hope this teaches you something. And I'm looking for your comments, your likes. I'm looking for subscribers. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Talk to you guys later.